The world there are two family extinction line subspecies. African lion Panthera leo leo is found in Africa south the Sahara Desert. The ancestral lion Panthera leo exists in one small population around Gir Forest National Park in western India. While lions in the West and Central Africa are more closely related to these ancestors lions in India than to those found in southern and East Africa. Male lions can weigh 30 stone on average. Male lions weigh 190.
Owning a cat is better for the environment. Viscous cat food is more dog food. If you are